This is the wiper motor. It's gonna kind of clean it up, paint it, kind of looking nasty, you know what I mean? See how this thing turns out. Yep. The wiper motor came out pretty good. I didn't paint this part because I think it looked pretty good. So just cleaned it up, painted everything else. But yeah, looks good. Just need to clean up this wiring. It's dirty. Other than that, yep, this one's ready. Alright, so starting to put some stuff together. Put the steering gearbox in, still need to tighten it up, but idle arm. So yeah, getting to that point where I'm putting stuff back now. So hopefully it'll start to look better. At least look like a truck again. Alright, stand by. So I pretty much got the front suspension on, tightened up, except for a couple of things like the tie rods. So when I do my adjustments for my alignment, and I put some Loctites in the bottom just so it don't wiggle and fall, if you know what I mean. Well, yeah, getting there. It's looking good. Yeah. Got my clutch pedal, brake pedal, and go fast pedal. All done. Oh, and the steering wheel. I had a steering column. Well, yeah, I'm getting there slowly. So stay tuned. I moved the truck to the other side of the house, or the other garage. Gonna be working on some wiring, and so pretty much I stripped out all the stock wiring that's on here, and I just went with this painless wiring. I'm hoping I have everything I need, which is not much, so should do. There'll probably be extra wires that we're not going to use, but as long as I have what I need for the whole truck, you know. But yep, working on that. I'm putting that somewhere in here and running it throughout the chassis and body or whatever, but we'll figure it out. Stay tuned. Alright, so been working on the wiring right now. Gonna have it laid out. Put the fuse lock in the corner over there. Just running the lines where it needs to go. Just trying to sort it out, you know. This one going to the back here. And then at the front, lights, horn, starter, alternator, all that good stuff. But yep, just getting the wiring all set up. So stand by. Alright, so I haven't showed you what type of ECU I'll be running, so this is it. It's pretty much it. You got the jackpot. It's by Aces fuel injection. So what's pretty neat about it is, one, it's affordable. So you know, right now I can't afford the Holley stuff. So this thing came about, and I'm gonna test it out. So it's by Aces, like I said, EFI. It comes with the intake throughout the body, fuel rail, and injector. And let's see, it comes with us. Well, I guess you got choice. So I got a 7-inch display, and then inside this box, hold on. I pretty much had this is the ECU, and it comes with all the wiring you need. So it comes with the wiring, the ECU, It came with like the O2 sensor bung that you have to weld on. So yeah, for everything, it was a decent price. Way, you know, cheaper but affordable than the Holly. So for now, you know, you just got to do what you got. So, or do what you can afford. So like I said, it's pretty much has everything. All the wiring, ECU, display, intake, throttle body, fuel rail, and fuel injector. So yeah. So this kit pretty much I can go about, it says max like 800 horsepower. So, but I mean, obviously I'm not going to make that right now. So, but you know, later on, good. But for now, we're not. All right, stand by. So this kind of the cluster, I guess. But looks good. Even have some turn signals. There's the horn button. Even high beam. So it's coming along, coming along. All right, ladies and gents, we're getting close to starting this. Getting the wirings done. I just installed the. I had to make a big ass hole in there to fit this wiring. So for the engine, all of this, but setting that up. Got a whole bunch of wirings going on in there. I'm making Austin do that because I don't like electrical. And got wirings going back here. And of course you probably know where that's going. So yeah, moving right along, right along. All right, so Austin here is going through the lines, and this is from Painless wiring, and he's just separating everything where it needs to go. And it's supposed to be painless, but I think it's very painful. At least for me, but not for him.
It's not that.
So
It's not that painless.
you need some electrical skills to do this. But yep, that's where I'm at right now. Just separating the lines where it needs to go, and more to come, more to come. So I've been working pretty hard on this wiring. I'm not too good at wiring, so he's handling the task of this. So, but pretty much have the cluster on. I think it's wired up too, and then have the switches. Oh, this. And then still working on some of the wirings, but getting there. And then these wires will just run down here, and then it runs to the back. But yeah, he's very neat when he does this wiring stuff. So me, I would have just put them all together and get to go. But yeah, let me show you the front. So pretty much have the wires coming out, and then running here through here. These are all the lights and stuff, but it's going down there, comes on this other side over here. But yeah, did a good job with that thing. So all right, so I'm about to weld on some bungs for the oxygen sensor. This is the one I'll be using. Yeah, it's made in China, but it's pretty cool because it has like this, kind of matches the shape of the exhaust, you know, hopefully make it easier to weld. But yep, that's what I'm going to be using for now. So let's get this on, get it on. I don't know if you want to watch me put this bung on, but I'm going to show you anyways. Come on. All right, well done. It's quick, fast, and in a hurry. Whatever, as long as it works. Yeah, done. Got the exhaust in with the O2 sensor, and I think it came up pretty good. It's in a good spot. It's not blocking anything or touching anything. So goes up there, but yep, came up pretty good. So we're working on the brakes and just mounting some tabs for the brake lines, as you can see. So got that going on. Here's the brake setup. So we have here running, this is going to the rear. It goes up to a proportioning valve, and then from there it goes into a bulkhead. I'll show you that one later. And then this is the front, goes up to a line lock, and then into a bulkhead also. So this part of the brakes will be coming down for the front. Then those brake lines that come in from the bulkhead, one will go across. That would be the right side to another bulkhead right there. And the other one right here, this one, will there'll be a line coming around, and then it comes to my drift handle, my drift brakes. So we'll come here, I think this is it, and then come out here. Then that will go, oops, that might. So that will go back here, then there, and then down to another bulkhead somewhere around here. And then that's going to the rear. Then it comes down and goes over here, over there, over there, over there, over there, until we hit the rear. Then splits up to the right and the left, and didn't hook this part up yet because the one I ordered is the wrong one. This one, I ordered this, but it's the wrong one, so I ordered another one, just waiting on it. But yep, that's it so far. And this is the right side brake line will be coming out of here and going down to the front disc brake. So yep, that's pretty much it. Stand by. Okay, so a little update on the brakes. So I had to move it to the side. I was having issues bleeding the system, so I had to get it lower than the reservoir, and that's pretty much it. This is the setup. So got it working, everything's bled, and brakes work, so good to go. Okay, so that's it for now. Still got more going on and keep you updated. So yep, have a good one.